Hey guys, how are you? Crafting with Sam, and today is Tuesday, June 18th. How's everyone doing? I got DP clubs in the mail. Oh, I'm tired. Oh my god, I could go back to bed right now. It's actually just a little after. What time is it? It's almost 11 o'clock actually. I was in the pool for a little bit because they're calling for thunderstorms in the afternoon again. And it's getting pretty dark out, so I went in before the rain, and it was perfect. The water was just perfect. So that kind of wiped me out a little bit. Ah, that's perfect. Now I don't even have to. So, the reason why I'm laughing is because you guys already saw I have this painting, right? Oh, now my friend can have this one because she wanted it. And it was buy $20 worth, get a free gift. And I think this is a free gift because I know I did not order this twice. Toolkit. It's this painting. That's why I'm laughing. I'm like, oh, she's going to love me. And she really loved mine, and she wanted to steal mine, and that was not happening. So it's just a matter of fact, I got this for free with my order. So there's painting number 1. I know, I'm in a different spot today. I'm in my chair. Okay, I'm too lazy to go get the scissors, so. This is gonna be a. Let me see here. I'm gonna start off with this one. So this one is super cute. I watch diamonds and stuff on YouTube, and she is obsessed with dragon diamond paintings. And so she got me kind of hooked on them now. Just some dragon ones, not all of them, but toolkit. This is my first order. This is my first order of diamond DP clubs. I do have another one. It should be coming today too, so. Isn't that adorable? It is so. I'm just in awe when I saw this. I'm like, ooh, this is so cute. So it is numbers 1 through 8. Like 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and so on and so on. And then from 10 on is letters, and it's only 19 colors. Look at the drill hill. It is just so cute. So these are all the colors, really pastel colors. So like pinks, light blues, and it's actually quite, no, it's Betty. Yeah, this one's a little bit color blocking and confetti. But blues, yellows, pinks, browns, greens, reds. I just thought this one was adorable. There's a little rainbow dragon. She is gonna love me. I'm not even gonna tell her. Unless she watches the video, then, you know. What is all wet there? I have no idea. Did they send me 2 free gifts? Because I know for a fact I did not. Or is this both of my orders? I don't know. Because I know for a fact I did not order this one. But it's cute. I'm going to have to look back at my order and see if it's just one order or they put both of them. And then that's why I got 2 free gifts with it. Toolkit. But I'll have to look at my screenshots just to double make sure, you know. These are all the colors. It's a pretty now I've seen this before on other people's channels. I just never gotten this one. And this one is super color blocking. And this one's all letters and it's 20 colors here. I'm going to show you around. But look at that. Isn't that cute? And there's all the DMC codes right there. There is the colors, browns, a little bit of green, blue. Here's the painting again. And it's round drill. Same with the Tweety Bird and the other ones, they're all round. I rarely get squares unless if it's a painting I absolutely love and have to have it in, and if it's not in any other and if it's not in any other like drill size, then I'll get it in square. This one is a special shape. Here's your toolkit. It is pretty red flowers. I bought this for Radiant in Red for Diamonds by Tita's event. It's red and it's flowers. I mean, I know it can go for this month too, but I really bought it for that. It's a 30 by 30 and it's 10 colors. So there's circles, pink teardrops, green teardrops, pink, 2 different types of pinks. There's purple, green, red. There's silver. There's a painting again. This next one I did buy for Grandma's. This is the one I originally bought for Grandma's by Diamonds on YouTube. Christmas in July event, and that's next month. And it is perfect. Are you kidding me? It's 9 colors. Look at this bad boy. It's a Christmas Sandman, snowman, or whatever. It's a Sandman. It is snowman. Snowman Sandman. Oh my god. I can't. Oh, I'm gonna have that stuck in my head all day. Oh. I can't. I'm so dead. Oh my god. Okay, anywho. It's a 40 by 40. And like I said, it's 9 colors for this Sandman's. Okay, Sam, gotta calm down now. Oh, great. So, anyways, here's that. These are the colors. Actually, I'll show you these drills because I'm curious myself, man. Oh, sometimes I just crack myself up sometimes. So silver, gold, sandy color. See the same. I'm not gonna stop now, am I? No, probably not. Little snowflake drills. They're so pretty. Blue. Pretty colors. So there's your Sandman, snowman. As soon as I seen it, I'm like, I just had to get him. He was too adorable to pass up, and it was perfect for that event, so. And this last one, I probably spent like 5 minutes laughing about that. Oh, yeah. I think this is only in one order, so I'll double check and I'll put it in the title for sure. And if if I get my other order, I know it's one order. So here's your standard toolkit. It's a kitty. Isn't that cute? Okay, there you go. I'm such a goofball today. What is supposed to be? I can't even look at you guys right now. Oh my god, I need to do this video. I don't know, it's my brain sometimes. I just, oh man. Okay. Okay, it is all letters. And it's 22 colors, but it's adorable. I love cats. I wish I had another one, to be honest with you. I do miss having a pet. I mean, I have Buster, but it's different because it's not really ours. I just help take care of him. But I miss somebody to cuddle with and, But my mom's thinking about it. She's thinking maybe after Disney. That's what it looks like. It's a 40 by 40. It looks bigger than a 40 by 40, but look at all the drill fill. Nice, easy to read. Very confetti though within the cat, but it's color blocking on the outside. So I guess that's not too bad. And it's only 22 colors too. You know what'd be pretty with this one? Pink ABs and the flowers. What do you guys think? I think so. So these are all the colors. Really pastel ones too, like pastel pinks. There's blue, purple. There's gray. A few different grays. There is black a little bit. Not very much though, so I'm okay with that. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. So there's the little cat. So if you are interested in any of this, make sure you guys go check out DB Clubs. And I'll have to look at that fox painting because I don't think I ordered that one either. And I'm like, okay, I'll take 2 free paintings, so thank you. So, yeah. Well, that is it for now. I hope you love my silliness in this video. Oh my. Alright. Bye guys. Keep on diamond painting.